Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by switching on airplane mode to cut cellular transmissions right away. This is required on most flights. Once done, re-enable Wi-Fi from the same settings screen so the radio for wireless networks is active. Make sure you choose the plane's network or a trusted hotspot. You do this because airplane mode stops cellular but allows Wi-Fi selectively. And many passengers confuse 5G cellular versus 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. Focus on the 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster links. You now find the network that indicates 5 GHz or dual band capability. This is the closest functional equivalent to 5G speed while airplane mode is active. After selecting it, enter the passcode or follow the captive portal steps. Pay or accept terms if required. Once connected, check signal strength and open a quick web page to test latency. If pages load fast and video streams smoothly, you're on the higher frequency Wi-Fi channel, which gives lower congestion and better throughput on crowded flights. You finish by verifying performance with a speed test or by streaming a short clip. This confirms you're using the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for best results. If speeds are poor, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or forget the network, then reconnect. These actions clear DHCP and captive portal glitches. If problems persist, ask cabin crew whether the aircraft permits higher speed plans or if the onboard access point is congested. Remember, you cannot legally use cellular 5G when airplane mode is required.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.